Hello everyone, my name is So. I want to show you my garden today after this strong wind that we experienced last night here in Southern California. Look, part of this tree, that part, the top is there. And look, I never experienced something like this. The wind was so strong. And look, all this. So now it's around 8:15 in the morning. Look at this, the sky. This is all smoke. Very scary. Then I can smell the smoke, the burning smell. Now is about almost 9 o'clock in the morning. And look, the sky got even more darker, right? This is all smoke. Look at that big tree, and this. My house last night was like shaking. Very scary. And you know what I did? Because the mountain is not too far from here, I packed some important documents. You know, things like a passport and a few more things, just in case. I was ready to go. But thankfully nothing happened here. But I saw in the news horrible things. The whole town, almost the whole town burned. Yeah. Beautiful places. So I hope you stay safe.